Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Takeoff. In this video, we are going to solve some objective problems on set with the help of Venn diagram. For better understanding, watch our previous video, link will be in the description. Before solving objective questions, let us understand few important note on Venn diagram. In this Venn diagram, we are considering three sets, set A, set B and set C. Left circle represents set A, right circle represents set B and bottom circle represents set C. Square enclosing all three circles represent universal set. First important note is there is lot of difference between elements only belongs to set A and elements belongs to set A. Elements only belongs to set A means elements of A which is not shared with any other set, and elements belongs to A means all the elements of A including the shared one. Elements only belongs to set A cover this region, and elements belongs to set A cover the region of entire circle. Similarly, there is lot of difference between elements only belongs to set A intersection B and elements belongs to set A intersection B. Elements only belongs to set A intersection B does not contain any shared element with other set, and elements belongs to set A intersection B contain shared element. This is the region for elements only belongs to set A intersection B, and this is the region for elements belongs to set A intersection B. Third important note is universal set covers all the region inside the square, means universal set is equals to sum of all region. Fourth important note is elements which is not belongs to set A, B, C can be written outside the circle and inside the square. This is the region where we can write those elements, and those elements belongs to universal set. Without any delay, let us start solving some more objective question. First question: in a town of 10,000 families, it was found that 40% families buy newspaper A, 20% buy newspaper B, and 10% buy newspaper C. 5% family buy A and B, 3% buy B and C, and 4% buy A and C. If 2% family buy all three newspaper, then number of family which buy newspaper A only. As per the question, there are three newspaper. Left circle represent number of family buying newspaper A, right circle represent number of family buying newspaper B, and bottom circle represent number of family buying newspaper C. And square enclosing all three circle represent universal set. In our case, number of family in town. So number of element in universal set is equals 10,000. We need to find number of family buying newspaper A only. This is the area which we need to find. Whenever we are solving objective with the help of Venn diagram, we should always find common region first. That is A intersection B intersection C. They gave 2% of the family buy all three newspapers. So we can place 2% here. And next thing is we need to find A intersection B. So 5% of the family buy A and B. Since we have already covered 2% of the area, 5 minus 2 is 3%. And next one is A intersection C. They gave A intersection C is 4%. Since we have already covered 2% of the area, 4 minus 2 is 2%. Now we need to find the families buying newspaper A only. So total number of family buying newspaper A is 40%. And if we subtract this region, we will easily get the percentage of people buying newspaper A only. So 40 minus 3% minus 2% minus 2. We get 33% of the people buying newspaper A. But in option, it's in numbers. So 33% of the total number of family in town, which gives 3,300. B is the correct option. Second question. A survey of 500 television viewers produced following information. 285 watch football, 195 watch hockey, 115 watch basketball, 45 watch football and basketball, 70 watch football and hockey, 50 watch hockey and basketball. 50 does not watch any of these three games. How many watch exactly one of the three games? As per the question, I am considering three circle. Left circle represent total number of people watching football. Right circle represent total number of people watching hockey, and bottom circle represent total number of people watching basketball. Square enclosing all three circle is universal set, which represent total number of viewers. So total number of element in universal set is 500. So we need to find sum of people watching only football, only hockey and only basketball. We need to find this region. Whenever we are solving objective with the help of Venn diagram, we need to find common region, that is F intersection H intersection B. In question, they didn't give F intersection H intersection B. So for now, let us consider F intersection H intersection B as A. Total number of people watching both football and basketball is 45. But we need to find the people who are watching only football and basketball. We can write 45 minus A. Similarly, total number of people watching football and hockey only is 70 minus A. and total number of people watching hockey and basketball only is 50 minus A, and total number of people watching football only is 285 minus all this region. We get 170 plus A. Similarly, total number of people watching hockey only is 195 minus this region. We get 75 plus A. Similarly, total number of people watching basketball only is 115 minus this region. We get 20 plus A. And total number of people not watching any of these three games is 50. Now we need to find A. We know universal set is equal sum of all region inside the square. So we can write 500 equals 50 plus 170 plus A plus 70 minus A plus A plus 45 minus A plus 50 minus A plus 75 plus A plus 20 plus A. By solving this, we get A equals 20. Now we can easily find people who are watching only football, only hockey and only basketball by summing 170 plus A plus 75 plus A plus 20 plus A. By substituting A, we get 325. First one is the correct option. Third question. A group of 123 workers went to a canteen for cold drinks, ice cream and tea. 42 workers took ice cream, 36 tea and 30 cold drink. 15 workers purchased ice cream and tea, 10 ice cream and cold drink, 4 cold drinks and tea but not ice cream. 11 took ice cream and tea but not cold drinks. Determine how many workers did not purchase anything. As per the question, number of workers purchased cold drinks is represented by left circle. Number of workers purchased ice cream is represented by right circle, and number of workers who purchased tea is represented by bottom circle. Square enclosing all three circles is universal set, which represent total number of workers. So number of element in universal set is 123, and we need to find workers did not purchased anything. This is the region which we need to find. For now, let us consider total number of workers did not purchase anything is X. First priority thing is we need to find C intersection I intersection T. But in question, they indirectly specified C intersection I intersection T. They gave 15 workers purchased ice cream and tea. So I intersection T is equals 15. And they also gave 11 took ice cream and tea but not cold drinks, which means I intersection T only is 11. Now we can easily find I intersection T intersection C is equals I intersection T minus I intersection T only. 15 minus 11 is equals 4. So 15 workers purchased ice cream and tea and 11 workers purchased ice cream and tea only, and they gave 4 workers purchased cold drinks and tea but not ice cream. 10 workers purchased ice cream and cold drinks, but we need to find workers who purchased only ice cream and cold drink. We can find that by subtracting 10 by 4. We get 6. 42 workers took ice cream. To get people who only bought ice cream, we need to subtract 42 minus 6 minus 4 minus 11. We get 21. And 36 workers purchased tea, but we need to find workers who purchased tea only. We get that by subtracting 36 by 4, 4 and 11, which is equals 17. And 30 workers purchased cold drink. To find the people who only purchased cold drink, we need to subtract 30 by 6, 4, 4, which is equals 16. Now we can easily find X. We know universal set is equals sum of all the region inside the square. So number of elements in universal set is 123, which is equals X plus 16 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 21 plus 11 plus 17. After solving this equation, we get X equals 44. D is the correct option. I hope everyone got the concept of set and how to tackle problem with the help of Venn diagram. From next video, we are starting new concept called relations and function. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Click on bell icon for further update.